Hi Kipsters! For Calm Classroom today we're going to practice bees buzz. So let's first sit with our legs crossed, get comfortable and place your hands on your knees and sit up tall so that your back is straight. All the parts of your body are quiet and not moving. When a bees buzz, they make a humming sound. A quiet humming sound sounds like this. Hum. Let's all try the quiet humming sound. So first, let's take a deep breath in. Breathe out and quietly hum. Hum. Let's try that again. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out and quietly hum. Hum. One more time. Take a deep breath in. And quietly breathe out and buzz. Now let's all try it again with our eyes closed if you want, but make sure our ears are covered. Okay. Close your eyes if you like. Take a deep breath in and breathe out quietly. Take another deep breath in and breathe out quietly. Take another deep breath in and breathe out quietly. Okay, let's take 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. How are you guys feeling? Good? Alright. Bye. I'll see you guys next time.